Good morning, students. I'm going to take a new chapter, heights and distance. Heights and distance. This chapter is continuation of the same chapter, trigonometry. Here, look here. In this chapter, the first term used is angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Listen, what is angle of elevation? Listen here. Let AB be a tower standing on a level ground. And suppose a man standing on this level ground at the point C. Two terms are here. One, AB be a pillar. Second one is Z is a man and he is standing on the level ground. And again we know that this is AB vertical tower and this BC is on the level ground. Therefore, here the angle is 90 degree. And here that this man looks a point on this A. Then this CA is known as line of sight. What is that CA known as? Line of sight. Now, this line of sight and the horizontal makes the angle of elevation. Understand? Listen. AB be the pillar. A man is standing somewhere on the level ground. Then the man looks at the top of the tower. Then C is the position of the man and A is an object, or there's some light is there. Therefore, this CA is known as line of sight. And this AC and BCB makes an angle theta. That theta is known as angle of elevation. Right. That is angle ACB is known as angle of elevation. Then second one is angle of depression. Right. Angle of depression. 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 Now listen. ABB, the tower. Understand? And C is an object. A man standing on the top of a tower. And he looks an object at the ground. Therefore, this is one horizontal line, isn't it? This is, and if he looks like this, then this AC is known as line of sight. Man is here and the object is here. Therefore, this AC is known as the line of sight. And this line of sight and this horizontal, you know that this is horizontal, isn't it? Parallel to the ground. Therefore, the line of sight and horizontal makes an angle here. Suppose this is D. DA is the horizontal and CA is the line of sight. Then this angle DAC is known as angle of depression. In the case of angle of elevation, the object is higher. Understand? Above the ground. He looks like that. Understand? Some object is there. This is Then the angle formed is known as angle of elevation. Suppose if the object is on the ground and the man is on top of the tower, then this AC is the line of sight and this BAC is known as angle of depression. Angle of depression. This write one question. Right. The length of the shadow of a vertical tower is. The length of the shadow of a vertical tower is √3 times its height. √3 times its height. Find the angle of elevation. Repeat the question. The length of the shadow of a vertical tower is √3 times as its height. Find the angle of elevation. Can draw the figure. We know that this is trigonometry. Always we draw right angled triangle. Then let AB be the tower. Therefore we take this. H is the height of the tower. That what is the condition? We know that this is the height, then the shadow is on the level ground, isn't it? Shadow is √3 times its height. Therefore we can write this as √3 h. And we mark this theta. Then listen. Theta is the angle, h is the opposite side and √3h is the adjacent side. Can you say what is the relation connecting opposite side and adjacent side? Opposite side by adjacent side is tan theta. Therefore, tan theta is equal to opposite side h by √3h, or you can write AB by BC. AB by BC equal to h by √3h. H cancel 1 by √3. Therefore, theta is equal to tan. Which angle is 1 by √3? Tan 30 is 1 by √3. Here in this chapter, actually, the tan angle is important. Understand? Tan 0, 0. Tan 30, 1 by √3. Tan 45, 1. Tan 60, √3. 0, 1 by √3, 1 √3. Therefore, here that angle theta is equal to 30 degree. Listen. Once again listen. Here the height we assume that h be the height. The condition given is the length of the shadow is √3 times as its length. Therefore, √3h. Therefore, connecting the relation opposite and adjacent. If you connect opposite and adjacent, we know that the relation is tan. Tan is opposite by adjacent. Therefore, h by √3h. H and h cancel 1 by √3, in which angle tan is 1 by √3, that is 30 degree. Okay. Then copy another question. I will read the question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower, angle of elevation of the top of a tower at a distance of 120 meter, from its foot on the horizontal plane to be 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. You know that right triangle always AB is the height of the tower. This foot of the B to C, isn't it? Therefore, we know that this is 120 and the angle of elevation is here. That is given 60, isn't it? Horizontal to be 30 degree, not 60, 30 degree. also, our aim is to find the opposite side. Adjacent side is there. The relation connecting opposite and adjacent is tan. Therefore, tan 30 is equal to h by 120. Okay, opposite by adjacent. You know that tan 30 means 1 by root 3 is equal to h by 120. Cross multiplication, root 3h is equal to 120. Can do these steps. H is equal to 120 by root 3. If a z is in the denominator, rationalize the denominator. 120 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. That is 120 root 3 by 3. Root 3 into root 3. 40 root 3, right? 40 root 3. What's the value of root 3? 1.732. 40 into 1.732. What's the answer? 69.28. Final answer 69.28. 40 root 3. Understand? Root 3. Study that value. Root 3 is equal to 1.732. Right. Next question. One more question. Write down. The height of a tree is root 3 times the length of its shadow. The height of a tree is root 3 times the length of its shadow. Find the angle of elevation. What's the condition? The first question is the shadow is root 3 times as the height of the tower. But here is the height is root 3 times. Therefore, we can take this h. Therefore, this is root 3h. Same figure. Again, opposite by adjacent is tan theta equal to root 3h by h. H cancel. Tan which angle is root 3 tan theta equal to root 3 means theta is equal to 60 degrees. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. Then write one more question. A kite is attached to a string. A kite is attached to a string. Find the length of the string. When the height of the kite is 60 meter. And the strings makes an angle 30 degree with the ground. 30 degree with the ground. Read the question. A kite is attached to a string. Find the length of the string is the question. We know that this is the position of the kite. Okay, you can mark it as A, not leave up A. A. A child is somewhere here. Look here. Fly that kite. Therefore, this is the condition. Read the question. Find the length of the string when the height of the kite is 60 meter. We know that this is the ABC. 60 meter. And our aim is to find the length of the kite. Listen. Now, what is the angle given here? Makes an angle 30 degrees. Now, listen. What is the relation connecting 30 degrees angle? What is the relation connecting opposite and hypotenuse? Opposite by hypotenuse. Say the answer. What is opposite by hypotenuse? Very good. Sine 30 is equal to opposite is 60 by hypotenuse h. Can you say what is sine 30? Say the answer. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 equal to 60 by h. Remember what is the height of the length of the string? 2 into 60, 120 meter. If the measurement is given in meter, right? 120 meter. Okay. Study these portions.